Hello friends, so it's another day here in the metal shop. I ran into some issues installing the harnesses yesterday, and I'll go over that in a minute, but I wanted to start on a positive note. Amazon Prime just delivered and it's Sunday afternoon. God, I love Amazon. I ordered this stuff on Friday, I think. Someone commented in the last video about accessories for the winch, and they said check out Factor 55 and Bubba Rope. So I did get on the website and I checked out Factor 55, and they have this cool product called a Hitchlink. And what this does is this slides into your receiver in the rear of the truck and just provides a nice mounting point just for a standard D-ring to mount into. And I just got the black one here. I don't know if I'll be able to do this with one hand or not. Cut into this trusty Cutco knife. Here, I gotta pause. I'm just gonna hurt myself. Okay, so we're in the box there. Shout out to Factor 55 Precision Engineering. They make a really nice, not sure what you call it. It takes the place of the hook on the front of your winch, but it's about 140 bucks. Quite spendy. But this is nice. This is aluminum, so it only weighs a couple of pounds, and it's you know, just as strong, if not stronger, than steel. They provide 2 mounting points so you can slide your hitch in. These guys who do extreme off-roading, so that when your Jeep is going, or whatever vehicle you choose to put this on, is going up a really steep incline, you don't want your hitch sticking way out. This is nice. Maximum load 9,500 pounds, made in USA. This is a nice piece. Wow. About 75 bucks, completely worth it. I also got the bolt locking hitch pin, and this is, you guys have seen these before. This is the kind that you insert your ignition key, turn it once, it learns. The lock, you know, keys itself to your ignition key, so this will always be keyed to the vehicle that you put it on. And this is for the Jeep, and this was about 28 bucks. Again, I ordered it on Friday. Amazon Prime delivers on a Sunday. Cool. Hello, my friends. Welcome to the metal shop. Just a quick little project update today. If you guys follow my channel, and I hope you do, you remember that I bought the 7/8 D-rings by mistake, the 7/8 diameter ring itself, instead of the smaller 3/4 inch D-rings with the 7/8 inch pin. Well, I really didn't like the looks of these on the front of the Jeep. They look kind of small, wimpy, kind of puny, and I really liked the looks of these. Problem was, the hole was just too small. Now these small ones did come with these nice polyurethane isolators. I did like those, you know, to keep them from rattling around and making noise and everything else. So there on the passenger side, you see we got the 7/8 inch D-ring. Now, super hard-headed. I don't have the right tools. You know, 7/8 inch drill bit, or, you know, a carbide burr or something of that nature to attack this. So what I did was I whittled away at it with a Dremel, with a grinding disc and a sanding cartridge. Tell you what, first time, these are really nice finish. The sanding disc is the ticket removing material, but the first time it moves in, see, it wouldn't even go in that far before, but the first time it goes in there, very satisfying. No, it's not that satisfying, but it's still pretty good. And it took, all told, you know, grinding and so on, and I also use that sanding cartridge on a drill, I use the drill bit a little bit, the file. I mean, I just whittled away at it like a beaver. Probably about an hour total. Time to let the Dremel cool off and working away at it. So, but I got it. And you realize that once I get the pin to go through, I needed to go a little bigger because it actually has to spin. So, decided, sorry for the bad camera work. Decided to keep these 7/8. They're pretty, you know, more expensive. I mean, they're $20 a piece versus $20 for the set. But I am going to whittle away at this one as well, and we'll make it fit. What was that? I can't remember. That was an ad from the 80s or something. I'm not comfortable with we'll make it fit. Something for like a mechanic or something. Don't worry, man, we'll make it fit. Anyway, I am going to make it fit. So let's roll around here on the little rolly to the back side of the Jeep and see what's going on over there. So the other day I showed you the awesome Factor 55 receiver that I got to run a standard D-ring in your standard 2-inch receiver. Now this is aluminum. I could have probably whittled this easier, but it's such a nice piece and so nicely powder coated, I'm not going to mess with it. So you can see you got 2 depths here like this if you need, you know, a little extra length. And they talk about guys that are going so extreme on an angle that they don't want to stick out so far. That's not me. So we're gonna use that depth there. And I have the bolt block, which I showed you guys, which I primed. No way, no how I'm going to get this open with one hand. Let's give you a mercy pause. Bolt. Alright, so you guys have seen these before. This is really nice. Stainless piece. Watch. It's not going to fit. Nope, fits. Good. Sorry, you saw none of that. You hear that? My neighbor got a brand new 4-wheeler. He's tearing up and down the road. Completely illegal, but I digress. So you guys have seen these bolt locks before. No big deal. Do not remove until ready to code GRV. Only insert key intended for everyday use. Okay. So we'll peel that off. Oh, it's got a little rubber dealie. I forgot about those. Okay. Good to go. So I'm going to try and show you this. Fascinating, not fascinating. Got the old Jeep key. That's all there is to it. You insert it in. You spin it. And that won't spin. Hold on, mercy pause again. Apologize for that. It just took a little more force than I could get here, clamping it in my knees. But you can see that it works with the ignition key. Got grease on the key now. They grease it up, nice. That's cool. So I don't know if I need the key to lock this or not. You guys get to see if I can do all this neat stuff with one hand. Yeah, I think I need the key to turn the key to lock that up anyway. Hey, stand by. Anyway, so yeah, I did have it. It was locked. That's pretty boss looking there. Sticks out. I thought it would seat onto that pin a little bit more, but no. Man, I need to get a cameraman. Train George the shop dog to run the camera and have my ace Brady Clark do it for me. So there you go. Awesome. Just a quick little update. Oh, you can see the pile of parts from this angle. Lots of good stuff still to come. All right, my friends, thanks for watching. Please consider subscribing if you're new. Hit the like button. Awesome. Take care. Bye-bye.